Friends, when we look at this question, it is saying that let's read the question from an airplane vertically above a straight road. So road is a straight. Road is always at the, in the baseline. I know. And what we can say that is the angle of depression of two places on the road. So from airplane, so we are looking, okay, you are not considering any height or any of that person or anything, um, but when you look at from the top, because it is question is there is in the question the angle of depression. In the angle of depression, you are looking, you are observing any object below your, level of your sight, okay, below level of eye. That means you are up and you are looking down something. And in angle of elevation, you are looking, sorry, in the angle of depression, you are looking down, and in the angle of elevation you are looking up. That means your eyes is making some line of sight in the state, and sorry, this is the vertical line parallel to that one. The plane is moving. We're considering the ideal cases, okay. Plane doesn't have straight parallel to the ground, but in this question, generally in the question, we have to consider this is an ideal case. So from an airplane vertically above a straight road, so you are flying in an airplane, okay, you are sitting in an in an airplane, and you're looking down, so two places, uh, and the distance between that two places is 500 meters. So that is, let's say 500 meters is here, and maybe the one point we have seen is here C, and another point is D here. And we should always should understand or know that, yes, our eyes looking for the first time, when it is looking, this is line of sight and making the angle to the uh, plane, and plane in fact is here, but the same plane can be, we can consider that this is the line plane, but imaginary line, plane imaginary line, okay. So here, so that is, if this is making some angle, there are two angles given, so we have to be aware of that also, okay. And one angle is here, suppose that this D is another point, okay. So in this 230 and 45, now we have very much aware, we have this must be 45, because angle closer to this is always greater than the angle further away, or distance away, okay. So this is must be 30 degree, okay. So we should not be on confusion in this matter. So which angle is 45, where to keep 30, yes. So when look at the shape, okay, shape of this 45 must be greater than the shape of the 30, so that angle must be here 30. And according to our parallel properties, okay, let's say parallel lines properties, if there is transversal line at the lines, so this is this lines, if this go extend, we extend to the up here, and if it down also here, then this angle, so this angle is, we have 45, fine, and this smaller angle is 30, okay. This is how we treat, how we understand the question. So solution parts, let's look at, if the distance, everything is fine, so we have to find the height of the this means this height, okay. Height is always perpendicular to the that length which is perpendicular to the base, and this is, suppose A we have understood, and this is B, C, D we have already supposed, and this is E here. So now in right angle triangle, so okay, so from a right angle triangle, okay, we can write in short form also. I'm writing here all right angle triangle ABC. So where is that ABC? Okay, we can see in the figure ABC. Okay, this is the part last time also I talked, we always should uh, think about which part we need to find, I mean which part, which value. Yes, this side we need, therefore now this side we need. Then what is the relation between this angle and this side? We have that ratio tan, so tan 45. Therefore, because there are all the trigonometric ratio also, sine, cos like that, but why we are taking tan is we have to consider this part. Therefore consider this length, or you can say consider this side, or consider this height, anything, eh? So this must come, therefore we are taking tan. Otherwise we could we would have taken another other trigonometric ratios. So b is perpendicular, this is base, remaining will be the opposite sides of this 90 degree will be hypotenuse, so this must be bc. So tan 45 we have 1, tan 45 its value is 1, so bc, and bc ones are bc, therefore AB is equals to what we can do is BC. So let it be equation 1. Fine. So what we can do similarly from right angle triangle ABD, okay? Here is A, B and D. So similarly from right angle triangle, which one? ABD, okay, we have tan 30 is equals to AB by BD. BD is composed of BC plus CD. CD is 500 meter. So what you can write is here tan 30 is 1 by root 3. AB is AB here. BD is BC plus 500 meter. Cross multiplication. After cross multiplication, BC plus 500 meter, okay, root 3 AB. This BC and AC are equal, so we can write AB plus 500 equals to root 3 AB. So since AB equals to BC from equation 1, right? So here we have 500 root 3 AB minus AB, okay, and okay, or this is 500, take common AB from here, and this is 500 divided by root 3 minus 1 AB. Then finally we will have, therefore AB is the height of the plane, and we will get 683.06 meter after calculation. Okay, this is our answer. You can write hence, or therefore hence height of the airplane is 683.06 meter. This is our final conclusion answer. Okay, thank you.